Question number 23. It's okay. Graph of an exponential equation. Perfect. Graph of y is equal to fx plus 4 is given. Let's write this. y is equal to fx plus 4. Okay. Which equation defines function of fx? That means graph is of fx plus 4 and we have to find what is actually fx. Now see, when the graph is given, the most a perfect method is to find the x-intercept or the y-intercept, and that helps most of the time. Now if I see this one, this coordinate is 0, 8, the y-intercept. Point at the y-axis where x is equal to 0. If I plug it here, this is f of 0 plus 4, right? So f of 0, if I subtract 4 on this side, 4. F of 0 is 4. That means when x is 0, y is 4. Okay. Now let's come to equation. 0, 4. Now we are going to use this, right? Let's check. If I put it in first equation, right, and try to solve it, okay, all are different numbers. Let's solve it with this way. Let's say this number is k. We don't know what this number is because this is the only point where all the options are different, right? Now, when x is 0, fx is 4 plus k. Okay, any number raised to power 0 is 1. Now let's do a concept. Any number raised to power 0 is 1. Is it applicable to every kind of number like negative numbers or positive numbers? Yes. Whatever the number is, if it is, fraction or it is a negative fraction or it's -3 or any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1 or 3 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So whenever the power is 0, number is always equal to 1. That means this is 1, -1 plus k. Now as I said that negative number raised to power 0 is 1, then why am I writing -1? That is a very important point here. Here I have put the parenthesis, right? That means this -3 whole has power 0, so that is equal to 1. But here in our question, that power 0 is only to 3. There is no parenthesis here. So we will consider it like this and not like this, right? So be careful about this. That can be a trap. Now if I solve this, right, adding 1 or 4, 1 on both sides, k is equal to 5. That means fx is equal to -3 raised to power x plus k, which is 5. Now tell me what I have told that if it whole parenthesis is equal to 1, am I right or wrong? Because in SAT we have to challenge ourselves every next time that we are going right conceptually or not. And in those cases, every single word matters. And let me tell you, the most used or curveballs of SAT questions are mostly with must and could. So just explore what is the difference between must and could. It's a work for you, right?